How's it going? And today I'm going to show you Kitchen Works 2.5 quart whistling tea kettle. Got this at Ross for $8.99. Pretty good deal. This has high quality stainless steel. Also has this stay cool handle and knob, the easy pour design, and is dishwasher safe as well. I was due for a new tea kettle. My old one was not stainless steel, I guess, because it was rusting. And here's the side, all the different colors it comes with. I got the goldish color. As you can see right here, it does say stainless steel will never rust. So let's open this up and check it out. And there it is. We have the stay cool handle right here. Press this, opens the front. And then close it back up. And we have the knob right here. You're going to pour your water in right through there. Here's the lid. Snaps right on. And there's the goldish color. And there's the bottom. Stainless steel. And this is 2.5 quarts. And there it is, guys. There's just an unboxing of the Kitchen Works 2.5 quart whistling tea kettle. Thanks for watching and have a good one.